I know a lot of times bloggers will say, so many of you guys have been asking me about, or so many of you guys DM'd me and wanted to know. I had one person, okay, one person request this video, but I'm still gonna do it. Okay, so let's start with one of my favorites. I feel like this is a staple in the hair care products that I use. It's the Talia Waajid Healing Oil. And I first experienced this when I got my trim after getting my big chop. The beautician that I went to, she used this and a couple of other products on my hair, but this one really stood out. It smells amazing, first of all, but I also feel it's a great consistency. So it's not too thick, not too thin, and it's super moisturizing and also makes my hair really, really soft. I use it both after I wash my hair and also daily on my hair. Keeping in line with Talia Waajid, her Shea Cocoa line I have really liked. It's the Curl Souffle, and then it's the Daily Leave-In Conditioner. And I like this, I like the Curl Souffle, it's good, but the conditioner really stands out. It doesn't say anything on the bottle, I don't think, about it being a detangler, but I have found it to be incredibly detangling on my hair, which is so important, especially when you're retwisting an old twist out, because my hair tends to be like more knotty or, you know, a little more tangled. Okay, keeping in line with the twist outs, when I first tried a twist out, I went with the Camilla Rose brand. And I was really torn. It was like one of those instances where I went to the store thinking I'll just grab a twist butter. And I ended up in the store for like 45 minutes. But I ended up going with this one because people recommended using it with the Curl Love by Camilla Rose, the Moisture Milk. And I already had this. I found it to work great. I feel like in conjunction, they give great definition and great moisture to a twist set. And the one downside to me is I'm not crazy about the smell. And I think some people would love it, but to me, it's a little too saccharine. It's like super sweet smelling. Like this literally smells like a piece of birthday cake. And if you like that, you know, then you'll love this. But for me, it just is a little off-putting. Okay, let's jump back to shampoo. So I have used a few different shampoos over the past year. I would say I like this one the best, but still feel like I haven't really found my shampoo yet, you know? This is the Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Moisturizing and Detangling Shampoo. It's sulfate-free. I found that it does not detangle that great, but I mean, it is a decent shampoo. I found it on the end cap at Target. It doesn't blow me away, but it does the job and it does it well. Also from the end cap, I got this Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Mask. It's a deep conditioner that I use. I love it a lot. It smells amazing. I feel like makes my curls super juicy after I use it. Another hair mask that I know is like I think a natural hair staple from what I've heard is the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. And between these two, I would even pick this one above this one. This is like, I see why it's a staple. It is amazing. I feel like it slips through your hair. It smells great. It just makes your curls super moisturized. It is my favorite deep conditioner. I'm almost out of it, as you can see. And it's one of those things that I will continue to buy over and over and over again because it just works so well. Okay, let's talk about some stuff I'm not crazy about. And I'm doing another mask. This Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask, just not impressed by it. I felt like it sat on top of my hair and didn't like really sink in, like melt into my hair. It worked fine. I mean, you know, I used it, but I wouldn't buy it again. The other product I was just meh about is the It's a 10. It's a leave-in product, and it's also a product that the stylist used when I went to go get my trim. So she used this and the Talia Waajid. It seems like it's really for people that are straightening their hair with heat, because it talks a lot about creates silkiness, flat iron spray and thermal protection, controls frizz. Since I'm not using heat on my hair, I don't know if it's really shining like it should the way that I'm using it. So definitely would, I mean, I've only used this much of it and I probably won't buy it again. So I did try the Denman brush and I've tried the Q-redew as far as tools. I don't know how I feel about the Denman brush. I would love to know what other people think. I mean, I know it's a staple. I know people love it. So first, I was using it with all of the teeth. And then my hair was so tight. It was like super, super tight curls. So then I went back and someone recommended take some of the rows out. So I took 3 rows of, you know, the teeth out. I feel like it's kind of harsh on my hair. I feel like my hair, it just doesn't get through. It doesn't glide through my hair. And I don't know if it's the right brush for me. Now, the Q-redew. I got this for Christmas. If you don't know, it's a hair steamer. It's a handheld hair steamer. And you can pop this off to put your water in. I love this. I love this. I know some of my friends have gotten the like stationary hair steamers, you know, like the hooded hair steamers. And I like this one because the way that you can manipulate your hair with it, and it adds moisture, it detangles, and it stretches. And it really does all those things. I'm a really big fan of this product, and I'm so glad that I got it. I feel like it's just another way to help decondition, and I really do love being able to stretch my hair out in between twist outs. So when I'm retwisting an old twist out, I'll use this in between to stretch it and then, you know, do the twist on my hair. And that's it. A few days ago, I actually bought some more products, some more Main Choice products, a shampoo and conditioner, and I have a few other things that I didn't share here. And so I want to continue to kind of just share, you know, the things I've tried and things I've liked, because like I said, it can be so overwhelming when you're standing in that hair aisle and like, I don't know what I should get. And so I would love for you guys to also share with me some products that you love. And if you tried any of these and love them or hate them, please share that as well, because of course I'm just one experience. So, you know, if you hated something, let us know why so other people can be informed. All right, see you later.